Hi, I'm James, one of the Vitality Performance Champions. Today I'm going to cook you one of my favourite meals. So steak and roasted vegetables. So really easy, really simple, but really delicious. And loads of nutrients in there from all the vegetables. So hopefully you enjoy. Let me know what you think. Okay, first off we're going to preheat the oven to 180 and then get all this veg chopped and get it in there for about half an hour. Okay, as you can see, we've got some carrots, butternut squash, sweet potato, courgette, some red onion, and some garlic still in their skin. So everything's roughly chopped. Basically, you can put whatever you want in here. Parsnips are great, whatever vegetables you like. If you don't like sweet potato, normal potato is fine. But yeah, just loads of different veg that you want to have, nicely roasted, and we'll put a little bit of oil in there, and then into the oven for half an hour. Okay, outside I got some kale and spinach growing, so that will be a really nice bit at the base of the dish. So we'll cut some of that and we'll get that ready while the other stuff's cooking. Okay, fresh from the garden, some kale and spinach. So that's going to form the base of our dish. If you want to saute it, cook it up first, feel free. I like it fresh like this. Obviously wash it from the garden. Okay, I'm going to make a really simple dressing to go on top of the steak. It's really yummy. Probably the little bit that's not as healthy in this dish. There's just some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and some sweet chili sauce. Okay. So looking at similar quantities of olive oil to balsamic, so equal amounts, just roughly. You can do this to taste, so depending on how much of each you want to put in, and then add a good glug of sweet chili going in there. And that's it, really, really simple. Give it a shake. And we'll leave that in there for later. Okay, so my favourite, the barbecue. Got the steak on there. Okay, personal preference, I like mine on the rare side. Cook it how you like. Make sure you let it rest for a good 10 minutes after you've finished cooking though. It'll taste so much nicer. Okay, so with the steak nicely rested, I'm just literally going to cut it into slices. Okay, so there's the roasted veg. All right, I'm just going to put a couple of spoonfuls onto the plates. Okay. And then all we're doing, grab a good bunch of the steak on top. Okay, there we have it. Give the dressing a bit of a shake, and then it's just a nice drizzle over the top of that steak. And there we have it. So steak on the barbecue, on a bed of roasted vegetables and some green leaves. Give it a try, see what you think. I hope you enjoy it. I hope everyone's doing well at home and staying safe, and making the most of this time with the family. And yeah, hopefully enjoy.